Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play with your cat. To begin, always remember that cats are natural hunters, so their play should mimic the hunt. Engaging in regular play helps keep your feline friend physically active and mentally stimulated. It also strengthens your bond, creating a happier and healthier relationship for both of you. Let's explore how to make playtime truly rewarding. Choosing the right toys is crucial for effective play. Look for items that resemble small prey, such as wand toys with feathers or small, soft mice. Avoid anything with tiny pieces that could be chewed off and swallowed, which can be dangerous. To maintain your cat's interest, rotate their toys regularly, perhaps offering 3 or 4 different ones each week. When playing, try to mimic the erratic movements of prey. Use a wand toy to make it dart, hide, and pounce. It's important to let your cat catch the toy often, perhaps every 3 to 5 pounces, to prevent frustration. Always conclude your play sessions with a successful kill of the toy, followed by a small, tasty treat. This reinforces their hunting success. For safety, never use your hands or feet as toys, as this can encourage biting and scratching. Always pay attention to your cat's body language. If they seem overstimulated or stressed, it's time to stop. After an energetic play session, allow for a calm cool-down period. This helps them relax and reinforces the positive experience, making playtime enjoyable for everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.